Are you one of the millions of people putting off estate planning because you think it's too complicated or too expensive for your family? So, you're not alone. The truth is, planning for your family's future after you're gone, securing guardianship for your kids, distributing assets, it all feels heavy. It's easy to push it off until later, but later might be too late. That brings us to online legal services like Rocket Lawyer. The big question is, can Rocket Lawyer truly handle comprehensive estate planning for your family? The short answer and what Rocket Lawyer offers. The short answer is yes. For many families, Rocket Lawyer is an excellent, affordable tool to cover the essentials. Rocket Lawyer provides a robust platform for creating some of the most critical documents families need. Last will and testament. This is your foundation. You can use it to name an executor, specify how your assets should be distributed, and most importantly for families, name a guardian for your minor children. Living will/advance directive. These documents dictate your wishes for medical care if you become incapacitated, taking a huge emotional burden off your spouse or kids. Power of attorney. You can easily create financial and medical power of attorney documents to name someone you trust to manage your affairs if you can't. Living trust. For families looking to avoid the lengthy and public probate process, Rocket Lawyer also offers the ability to create a living trust, when a traditional attorney might be better. Now, here is the essential caveat. While Rocket Lawyer is fantastic for straightforward situations, there are times when your family's plan might need a traditional lawyer. Rocket Lawyer is primarily a DIY document creation service. This works perfectly if you have a simple estate, meaning your assets are modest and your plan is relatively uncomplicated, like leaving everything to your spouse and then splitting it evenly among your children. However, if your situation is more complex, you might need a dedicated estate planning attorney. High net worth or complex assets. If you have assets that exceed the federal estate tax exemption, own multiple businesses, or have complicated real estate holdings. Special needs planning. If you have a child with special needs who receives government benefits, you'll need a specialized trust to protect those benefits. Complex family dynamics. Think blended families, situations where you want to disinherit an heir, or complex stipulations on asset distribution. The Rocket Lawyer advantage, access to experts. But here's the key feature that sets Rocket Lawyer apart from simply downloading forms. Attorney access. With a membership, you get free 30-minute consultations on new legal matters with a lawyer from their network. For family estate planning, this is gold. You can draft your essential documents, then use that consultation to ask a professional lawyer if you've missed any key details, or if your situation warrants a more customized plan. It gives you that necessary peace of mind without the high initial bill. So, for most families, Rocket Lawyer is an incredibly valuable, cost-effective way to get the foundational legal protections in place. It empowers you to take control of your family's future right now. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.